Do you care about what people think of you? I remember walking into restaurants and being afraid of not being able to fit in a chair. I got tired of compromising my life with everything that I was doing, physically, mentally, and spiritually. My biggest success in my life was letting that go, not caring what other people think about me. One of the tools that I had found that would help me through my health journey was having gastric bypass. I say it's a tool because it's not their way out of being fat. It is something there that's going to help you through this process. In this course, I will be teaching you how to get your mind to that point where you don't care what other people think about you, and also what they think you should be doing. If you have been thinking about changing your mental, physical, and spiritual health, I want to get you ready for whatever journey you're about to take on your health. Come take this course with me today on Amphy.